Some students had questions on the application of functions assignment, which is composite functions. The first thing when using composite functions is make sure you label what your variables are. So we have h, in this case it says h equals, the height equals x, and then it says the length. The length equals what? The length is 2 more feet than the height. So 2 more than would be x plus 2. We have f of x equals the area in terms of x. So f of x equals the area. To find the area, we multiply base times height, or length times height. In this case, it's L times h. So f of x equals L, which is x plus 2. And I want to multiply that times x. Whenever you get something like this, you always want to simplify it. So we want to use order of operations. I can multiply through by the x. So we have x squared plus 2x. That is what my f of x equals. That's problem number 1. Problem number 2, I want you to go through and do problem number 2. Problem number 2 says we have g of x, and g of x represents 100. We pay $100 per mural plus an additional $40 per square foot. So we pay our $100 fee, and then we're paying $40 per square foot. Now, in this case, x equals square feet, so it's $40 times x. So that's question number 2. Now, question number 3, we get into our composite functions. And question number 3 asks, and I want to show you the composite functions. We have g of f of x. So g of x, f of x means I want to take the f of x function and I'm plugging it into the x of the g of x function. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the x and I'm replacing x with x squared plus 2x, and then I'm just simplifying that equation. So g of f of x means I'm taking the f of x function and I'm plugging that in for the x into the g of x function. If for some reason they asked for f of g of x, we would do the same thing. We would plug in the g of x function and we plug into x for the f of x function. So in this case, it would be 2 100 plus 40x squared plus 100 plus 40x. And then we would simplify that. Okay, so that's how to use the composite functions. I've done problems 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you simplify number 3. And then if you have any questions, make sure you ask.